Now to start off with our medieval knight horse, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here by making a small circle. We'll put a smaller circle at the top and we'll go ahead and color in the rest of it, leaving just that little circle white. Now for the face, we'll draw a little line that's just going to come down. And then we're just going to curve around and up here. Let's go ahead and make a nice big curve here. Then we'll do 2 dots for the nose. And a little curved line for the mouth and like a little smile. Next, we're going to bring this line up. And we're going to make a couple little pointed lines for some hair. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down for the ear. Do another little line here for the hair. We'll make a little oval shape inside for the ear. And we'll do another little bump over here. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that comes down. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve down. Next, starting here, we're going to curve this line over. And then right here, we're going to draw this line that comes down. And we're going to make a little wiggly line across. And then we're going to bring this up here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and then up for the leg. We'll do another one here. We're going to go down, over, and then up. We're going to go down, over, and up here for a leg. And then one more here. We're going to go down, over, and then up. Let's make a little line across each one for the hooves on our horse. Now right here, let's draw a line that's just going to curve around. And it's going to come down here. And we'll make a little curve here. We'll make some lines across here, so it looks like our horse is wearing some armor. We'll make a little line here and a little line here for some detail. We're also going to make some points coming back here for the fur. We're going to make a line that curves up and around here. And then a little skinny line here. We'll do another one here. And another little skinny line. And then we're going to make some points on here for the tail. Right here, let's go ahead and make a little line that goes down, and then we'll make some wiggly lines that come up for some detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little knighted horse. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.